Welcome to Brainy Bites for Kids! Don't forget to subscribe!
Have you ever seen a mountain that breathes fire? That's a volcano. It might look like a regular sleepy mountain, but deep inside, it's hiding a super hot, bubbly secret waiting to burst out.
Imagine the Earth is like a giant chocolate lava cake. Deep underground, it gets so hot that rocks melt into a thick, glowing goo called magma. It swirls around just like very hot tomato soup.
The ground we stand on isn't one solid piece. It's made of giant puzzle pieces called tectonic plates. Sometimes these heavy pieces bump into each other or pull apart, which wakes up the magma below. Think of a bottle of soda that you shook up really hard. All those little gas bubbles want to escape, right? Magma is full of gas bubbles too, and they build up huge pressure, pushing harder and harder against the rock walls. Squeeze! The magma needs room to move, so it pushes up a long tube called a vent. It's like squeezing a tube of toothpaste really hard until, pop, it finds a way out at the very top. Kaboom! When the magma blasts out of the volcano, we give it a new name, lava. This bright orange river flows down the mountain, glowing like fire and melting everything in its path. It's not just liquid rock that comes out. Volcanoes also puff out big gray clouds of ash and smoke. It looks like a storm, but that falling ash is actually tiny bits of rock cooling down in the air. After the fireworks are over, the lava cools down and turns back into hard rock. Did you know that volcanoes can actually create brand new islands? Nature is pretty amazing, isn't it?